Hello everybody, welcome back to another video on the Bad Financial Decisions YouTube channel. Today I got the brand new Jato 4x4 by Traxxas. As you can see, I have not even opened this thing. I just bought it, like literally just a few seconds ago. So let's go open it up, take a look. Are we excited? Yes we are.
He's lying.
Yeah. Fuck.
It's one mighty pocket man.
So here you are, standard kind of Traxxas 4x4 setup with everything on one side and then the battery tray. Comes with stickers, which you all know I love. Comes with a big ass Allen wrench thing. Standard Traxxas TQ. Body is clipless, as you can see. It just kind of pops on and off just like that. It's supposed to stay on, but it didn't. As you can see, everything's pretty standard. Standard shocks, standard suspension system. It is a 4x4 after all, so it's pretty standard. Honestly, quite similar to the Rustler 4x4, just a little bit beefier. I think it's supposed to be like its own version of the Arma Typhon, but I'll just have to get one and figure that one out. Anyway, less talking. Let's get out on the track.
Okay, Mr. Oh God.
Alright, so we took it out in the dirt. So it's no longer new. But what else did we find? I bent the shock already.
Thanks for taking the time to watch this video.